Well, thank you very much for being connected and learning spoken English with my channel. My dear friend, as you can see on board, I have mentioned these are the very important expressions of words, and through these words you can express yourself in right way, and you can talk with anybody without facing any kind of problem. These are the vocabularies, these are the words which mostly people use in their conversations to express themselves in right way, to show their sentiments, their feelings to whomever we are communicating. Right, so you can say literally I was very busy yesterday. सचमुच मैं कल बहुत busy था. Literally I was busy yesterday. Right, especially I told you, right, you can say especially means खास तौर पे. Especially I told you that you should go through all kind of questions, because when interview is going to be happen, so HR or manager, they will be asking this kind of questions. So especially I told you should prepare your introduction session, or especially you should take care about your questions and answers, so that you can give your interviews. Like especially really are you doing practice with your conversation? Really means वास्तव में. Really, were you busy yesterday? क्या कल तुम busy थे? Really were you doing the practice? Really, are you like satisfied with yourself? Right, obviously I was doing practice. I was learning the things. Obviously, yes, कल मैं practice कर रहा था और learn कर रहा था. Obviously, right. Actually, he did not participate in that meeting. Actually, he did not give his interview, so that is why he could not able to get successful. Actually, right. Seriously, are you worrying about your life? Seriously, are you want to make your conversation skills good? Do you want to make your conversation skills good? Right, yes, literally I have to develop my communication skills. Literally I have to develop my communication skills, because that is very important. Or literally I saw that lion or tiger. Literally I saw, and I saw that when I saw. Right, literally. Badly I was not able to speak English, and the company kicked me out. Right, company kicked me out because badly I was giving my interviews, or I was not able to give my interviews, so the company kicked me out. Oh my god, I can't understand. Especially my teacher remind me that I have to understand, I have to go through all kind of conversations and all kind of practice. Especially like probably means मुमकिन है. Probably tomorrow I will go to give my interviews. Right, probably संभवत है मैं कल इंटरव्यू देने जा सकता हूँ. Probably tomorrow I will go to give my interviews. Probably I'm not sure what will happen tomorrow. Right, मुझे नहीं पता कि कल क्या होगा. Probably my interview is going to be happen between 9 a.m. or 10 p.m. somewhere at the time. Generally I go to the morning walk at 7 p.m. right, 7 p.m. in the evening, or early in the morning. Generally I go to the morning walk for 7 o'clock, right, 7 a.m. in the morning. Generally, like literally if you want to develop your communication skills, so you have to understand, you have to go through all kind of understanding, and you have to learn various kind of activities. Obviously means जाहिर है, या agree है. Obviously tomorrow I am going to attend the meeting. Obviously tomorrow I will not go to the meetings because I am not well. Obviously, right. When somebody is asking about are you going to attend the meeting, so you have agreement. No, I'm not going to attend the meeting because I'm becoming too much tired and I'm feeling too much tired, so obviously I'm not going. Or like literally really are you talking about truth? Really, क्या सचमुच आप सच की बात कर रहे हो? Truth, right? Really, badly, right? The war is happening between Ukraine to Russia badly. The war is happening between Ukraine to Russia badly, or the fight between Palestine and Israel is going on badly. My situation is very badly, right? My situation is very badly. I can't understand. I don't know what will happen tomorrow. Badly, I don't understand. Especially, I need to correct my pronunciation, and especially I have to talk with the people, and especially I have to understand what things were not happening, or especially I consider myself as a motivated person or good person, right? So seriously, Seriously, do you want to take right decision? Seriously means seriously, do you want to take right decision? Obviously, yes, of course, obviously, I will take it. Actually means actually. You called me but I could not able to receive your call. Actually, I was very busy. Actually, I'm not feeling well. I don't want to go to attend the meeting. Actually, I'm not. He actually not feeling great, so that's why he could not able to attend or go anywhere. Right? Badly, especially. Generally, we visit there between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Like generally the store open. Generally the store open early in the morning by 10 a.m. right? Generally we get week offs in weekdays. Generally we go for shopping by 10 p.m. in the evening. See, actually, obviously, seriously, literally, really, badly, spacely, probably, and generally. Right? These are the words are very most important to express your expressions and to express yourself in right way. Right? Most of the people you might have heard, you might have listened that you have been listening from your environment. You have been listening through environment that the people use. Oh well, I'm very busy. Actually means वास्तव में एक्चुअली आई वॉज वेरी बिजी इन मीटिंग सो आई कुड नॉट एबल टू अटेंड योर कॉल. मैं मीटिंग में बहुत बिजी था इसीलिए मैं आपका कॉल अटेंड नहीं कर पाया. मीन्स वास्तव में एक्चुअली आई वॉज वेरी बिजी. ऑब्वियसली मीन्स एग्रीमेंट यस और जाहिर है राइट. इन हिंदी में जाहिर हो यस एग्रीमेंट. आर यू गोइंग टू अटेंड टुमारोज मीटिंग? ऑब्वियसली आई एम गोइंग. आर यू गोइंग टू कम एट माई होम टू कलेक्ट द मनी? Obviously, I am coming because I need to collect my money. I want to take my money back from you. Obviously, I am coming. So what are you going to wear? What are you going to wear today? Will you wear the jacket? Obviously, it is too cold. I should wear the jacket. Yes, obviously, it is very cold. I should wear the jacket means agreement. Seriously, are you talking about seriously? Seriously means गंभीरता पूर्वक. Right? Seriously. Seriously, tomorrow I am going to come. Seriously, I need job opportunities. Seriously, I want to build up my communication skills. Seriously, I want to build up my communication skills. Seriously, I am talking about I will kill him. Right? Seriously. Literally, I was very busy tomorrow. सचमुच मैं बहुत busy था कल. Literally, I was very busy yesterday. Like literally I want to change my lifestyle. I want to learn how to speak good English. सचमुच मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने की आवश्यकता है. Literally I want to be a master of communication skills. Literally I want to change my lifestyle. Like literally this is the price of the product. Yes, literally you are very you can't understand my problem. Right? Literally. सचमुच. Literally we are winning the battles of life. Literally I am winning the match. Literally we are going to play cricket. Literally tomorrow I will not come in the office. Literally tomorrow I will not come in the office. Literally tomorrow we are going to busy and have some fun and parties with my friends. Literally. Seriously are you going to have a party with the people? Seriously. Obviously I am going to the party with the people. Obviously, he actually could not able to visit the party because he became tired after his job. Right? He became tired after his job. So like really are you worrying about your life? Really are you worrying about your life? Really are you worrying about your conversation skills? Really are you वास्तव में really are you like making noise? Really are you understand? Really, do you understand my problem? Yes, of course, obviously. Especially means खास तौर पर. Especially I remind him that I will do some special work. Especially I told him that yes, these things are not going to him. Especially you people are selected in for the organization because you have knowledge. Probably tomorrow I will go to the office or not go. Means probably tomorrow I will go to the office or not go. Well, these are the very most important things which I have described to you. You must understand, you must go through. Definitely these are the expression will help you to support your communication skills. Through these words, your conversation skills or your like expressing way, it will boost and it will increase, and you will have more fun and more enjoyment learning spoken English with my channel. My dear friends, thank you so much for being participated and learn through these techniques, and definitely you are going to change your life. Kindly share and subscribe my channel for new learning. For learning something else, you can visit my another videos. There I have given certain kind of strategic and technique through which you can polish and boost your communication skills. And learning something new, it always exercise your mind, and you will like developing and creating innovative ideas in your mind, and the ideas will come out through the action. Well, thank you very much. You keep positive and learn as much as possible. Thank you very much.